Hi everyone! I want to review this hook that the lovely Krystal from Krystal Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady made for me. It was in my Happy Mail video yesterday. But first I'm going to show you the yarn that I'm crocheting something with, and I was actually using a 4mm. So let me tell you about this. This is I have a tutorial up for this top. It's a mesh top made in one piece. Then you add a trim at the bottom and at the sleeves, short sleeves. All right, so the yarn I'm using is this Rainbow Bamboo by Hobby. 60% bamboo, 40% cotton. This colorway is 25. It's on their site, it's called Cerise, C-E-R-I-S-E, and it's a dark pinkish color. It's very, very pretty. It's a fine 2 weight. %60 viscose, which is bamboo, right? 60% bamboo viscose and 40% cotton. It's 100 grams in here, 274 yards. Recommended hook is a 3mm, but I've gone up to a 4. I'm doing this whole thing, pretty much the whole thing, in a 4mm. This is designed in Denmark, made with love in Turkey. It is a beautiful, beautiful yarn. All right, let's take a look at the hook Krystal made. She makes these handles, and she's got the indentation on both sides. So if you're a pencil holder, I'm sure you would have a lot of control. I'm actually a knife holder, and still you can use those indentations for your finger and your thumb and still have lots of control. So she sent this to me in Happy Mail, and she put my name on it. How sweet. Isn't this gorgeous? Thank you so much again, Krystal. So let's do a little bit of a review with this hook. Beautiful. I do have a hard time working with thinner yarns when I'm showing them on video, because of the way my arms are positioned, and I'm positioned behind the camera. But other than that, this is awesome. It's very comfortable in the hand, easy to control. Do you sell these on your... Do you have a Etsy? You have an Etsy shop, right, Krystal, or a Ravelry? I'm gonna have to look up the link. I should have done that before, but if she does, I will put it in the description box, and her channel as well. This handle is so comfortable, and I like that it's a little bit long. I do have some that I bought somewhere that the handle's a little shorter, and it presses on my hand, and it irritates me a little bit. Just feels funny and annoying. But oh, this one is really great. Thank you so much, Krystal. And she also made this beautiful owl stitch marker. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. Thank you for that too, Krystal. We're just gonna hook it right on where I left off here. There we go. So thank you again for this beautiful, beautiful Happy Mail. And I love the hook. Easy to work with, very comfortable, nice shape, nice size. Thank you. And of course, I love the owl stitch marker. Crafty Yarn Owl loves owls. All right, thank you everyone for watching.